What's up guys, this is Jake, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Search Console in your Shopify store. So this is just going to help you to be able to more accurately track how your store is performing in Google search results. So the first thing you need to do is just make sure you're logged into your Shopify store admin here. And then once you are, we're going to open up another tab and search for Search Console here in Google. And you can just click the first link here for Google Search Console. And then once we get to this page, we're going to click on Start Now. And once you're here, you just want to confirm that you are logged into the Google account that you want to use for your Search Console account. And then once you confirm that, we're going to come back over here to your Shopify admin once again. And then you're going to go to Online Store Preferences. And you're just going to confirm that your store is not password protected, because if you have your password protection on, then you're not going to be able to verify the search tag later. So just make sure that your store is not password protected right here. And then we're just going to click the icon to view our online store. And we're going to come up here and just copy the URL. And then come back to Google Search Console and go over here to the URL prefix side. And we're going to paste in our URL. And we can just get rid of the last backslash at the end. Then we're going to click on continue. And then next we're just going to have to choose a verification method to verify that we own this site. So we're going to go ahead and do the HTML tag method right here. So we're going to click on HTML tag and open this up. And then we can copy this meta tag here by clicking copy. And then we're going to come back over to our store. So once we're back in the admin, we're going to go to online store, and then we're just going to need to edit our theme code. Now before you edit your theme code, one thing you can do is click on duplicate here if you'd like to make a copy of your live theme. So just in case you actually mess something up while editing the code, you'll have a duplicate here that you can always publish in case you accidentally mess something up. So this is optional, but this is just something you can do to be safe. Now, once we've done this, we're going to just go over here to these three dots, click on Edit Code. Then we're going to go over here to Layout, and then click on Theme.Liquid. And then you're just going to look for this head tag right here. And then right below the head tag, you can just hit Enter, and then we'll paste in the verification tag right here. And then you're just going to click on Save here in the top right. Now once this is saved, we can go back over to Search Console, and then we can click on this Verify button right here. And now we can see that our ownership is verified and we are done. And that's all you have to do to link Search Console to Shopify. So now if I just click on Go to Property, we can see that this is going to be our admin dashboard for Google Search Console for this store. And then you can change which property you're viewing by going up here. So that's how you can link Google Search Console to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. If you want a separate video on how to actually navigate Google Search Console, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in another one. Real quick before we get into the video, if you're looking to run pre-orders on your products, set up a custom wholesale program, offer volume discounts on products in your store, set up unique checkout rules at your checkout, or sell digital products, check out our apps by clicking the links in the description.